Hello friends, yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I will be preparing chicken roti, which is roasted chicken with potato. Here I have my chicken here, and I have 25 centiliter of water. I have my potato with carrot. I have my butter. I have small spoons of salt, 2 onion, 2 garlic, and I have thyme, and I have olive. Here I have mine coconut oil. First, what we do now, I have my chicken, so I have to remove the elastic from the chicken. The chicken has been washed. I will remove my elastic this way. I open my chicken, and I put the one garlic inside. I put my thyme inside the chicken, and I put my olive inside, and 1 onion, and I put mine. You can see that butter, and I put my butter inside, and I close, which is inside. Add a little salt, half of the salt of spoon. Okay, and after I will put the butter. I will put the butter around the chicken. Just around the chicken. I put my butter around the chicken. Just rub it on the chicken, not to let the chicken burnt, to allow it to get burnt. This will oil the skin. Yeah, we oil the skin, make the skin look oily. Yes, this is done, and I have to put the chicken on the plate of oven. I place mine over here. I add a little oil on the pan. Little oil on the pan. Place my chicken. Place my chicken on the pan. Side of the pan. Add water inside the hole as on the chicken, and close it with the plastic. Close it with the plastic. Oh yes. Okay, hold the chicken with the plastic. And I have to take my potato. I will place my potato on the side. Yeah, on the side of the chicken. I will add my onion and garlic. The rest of the salt, spoons of salt. Now I will add the rest of my coconut oil. On it, and after my water, I'll add the rest of the water. On it. Oh yes. Now I'm going to on my oven. I will put my oven in 180 degree. and I will wait for 1 hour on the oven. I will show you guys when it's cooked.